We're playing the Lucky Ladies. Let's see. The 1 cent. Let's see. I feel so discombobulated. 1 cent. So I had 30 cents a twirl, I guess, is what I'm doing. But don't I want to play 12 lines? Oh, 30. Alright, sorry. We'll do this. 30 cents a twirl. My kind of sweet. I wish I had my gimbal. I'm sorry if it's shaky. There we go. Oh. That's my camera there. Come on. We want one of those. Ooh, we want one of those. Whatever that was, it made the machine go boom. So I'm guessing if you get those, you'll get a bonus. I want some lucky ladies. The redhead lucky lady is mighty fine, just saying. The redhead lucky lady is single. I doubt it. Anyways, we're not interested in redhead lucky ladies or redhead lucky men. Or any colored hair, for that matter. Oh my god. Anyways, I was just saying that she's quite a looker. We like the lucky lady. Hello. We like the lucky lady. Pardon me, we're not trying to diss you, girlfriend. Come on, give us a bonus. We want three of these and a lot of whatever. Choose. Ooh, it's making noises. I want $1.10. I'm convinced they forgot about us. I'll come back if I get anything. We got a bonus finally. Oh my god. We've been running back and forth with this 20. Like the biggest hit we've got was like $5, but we got a bonus. Woohoo! Oh, look up. Come on. Hit the biggest one. Two more additional free spins at multiplier value. 6 free spins awarded. Oh, that's what that was for. Okay. So now what? Touch the button. Come on, lucky ladies. Looney Tunes. We've seriously been sitting here for what feels like 25 minutes. It's alright though, we got a bonus. We're stoked. Oh, we get to spin again. Whee! Spinning again. 3 more spins. We want 25, but we'll take 3. So 6 more to go after this one. Bonus 10 times. Green shoes. Woohoo! We like green shoes. Those are cute green shoes. I wish I could wear heels, but I can't wear heels. What did we win? Woo! Hey, we started with 12 something, so we're definitely up on this machine. Woohoo! Super duper. 10 times. This is a 30-cent bet, folks. Yes. Keep going. Holy crap. We're stoked on this. 43.75. Holy moly. Thank you, lucky ladies. Wow. We're at 47.79. We'll do some backup spins. That was impressive. But we need to go find out where the bowen is. So we're just sitting here with all of our luggage at the front door. It's kind of embarrassing. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Thank God it's not busy. It's a Thursday at around 1-ish. Maybe not quite 1. Ooh, the ladies. I got bonus hot lady. Bonus hot lady. We like the bonus hot lady. We like a full screen of that hot lady. Or a full screen of the green shoes. The green shoes are so pretty. So is that horse. Or 48.64. I should stop if I get to 50. Because I don't want to press my luck. Ooh, we want another bonus. Come on, bonus. I'll come back to you if I get anything. I'm not going to go below 45 though. I said I wasn't going to go below 45. Alright, just one more. It's only $44.95. And now we're at $45.15. So should I do one more time? I shouldn't, but... Alright, we're going to cash out at $44.85. No, we're not. We're going to cash out at 45. At 44. Alright, we're cashing out at $44.25. Thanks for watching.